With the help of Iraqi Counter Terrorism Service forces, Xinhua Reporters arrived at the al-Saha neighborhood in western Mosul and visited the battle zone. We stopped at an area close to the neighborhood. Sounds of gunshots and explosions can be heard continuously, and ruins of buildings and cars can be seen everywhere. CTS officials say after 2 days of fierce clash with IS fighters, they have controlled 70% of the neighborhood. Iraqi Prime Minister al-Abadi visited Mosul yesterday and met with top commanders of Iraqi army. He hailed the latest military advance in Mosul and said 95% of Mosul has been liberated and Islamic State group is in a state of collapse and cannot achieve any of its goal in Mosul.
我现在所在的位置是摩苏尔西城北部的萨哈区，伊拉克政府军部队于前天开始进入这个街区，目前呢，萨哈区的战事基本上要结束了。反恐部队将要从这个方向向东打进赞吉里区。27号的时候，伊拉克政府军的多支部队从多个方向攻入了摩苏尔老城区北部的仅剩的3个街区。解放最后3个街区之后，伊拉克政府军将完全包围位于摩苏尔西城中心的老城区。摩苏尔的战事将近